Now we're going to study what is the meaning of multiplying fractions. So let's say I have a chocolate bar and I divide that chocolate bar in two equal parts. So this is 1 out of 2. And if I promise you to give half of this 1 upon 2. So remember, whenever you see off, it means multiply. And half or 1/2 is 1 upon 2. So what is 1 upon 2 multiplied by 1 upon 2? That is the question. So suppose this is a chocolate bar and I'm only going to give you this first half of that chocolate bar. And then I tell you, no, I'm not going to give you this also. I'm going to give you half of that. So I'm going to give you the half part out of that. So this is only what you're going to get. So it is this actually what you're going to get. So what are you going to actually get? What portion of this entire chocolate bar are you going to get? So the answer to this is, if you compare this with this next diagram, I've divided the chocolate bar in 4 equal pieces and you're going to get 1 piece out of the 4. So the multiplying part of 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2 is actually 1 upon 4. It can be observed that 1 and 1 multiplied to get 1 and 2 and 2 multiplied to get a 2. So while multiplying, what we do is we simply multiply. 1 ones is 1 and 2 twos is 4. And then we cancel it out and see whether it is reducible or not. So while multiplying fractions, multiply all the numerators and multiply all the denominators and reduce it to the lowest terms. For example, 2 upon 7 multiplied by 3 upon 11. So we can simply multiply 2 and 3 and we can simply multiply 7 and 11. So in fact, if you observe carefully, multiplying fractions is much easier than adding or subtracting fractions, in which you require a common denominator. Over here, you do not require any common denominator. So this is 2 3s are 6 and 7 11s are 77. And this is irreducible. So 6 upon 77 is the answer. So suppose if you have A upon B multiplied by C upon D, what you need to do is multiply A and C together, the numerators, and multiply the denominators together and try to reduce it if it is possible. Let's take another example. What is 16 upon 19 multiplied by 57 upon 64? Now if you see, if I multiply 16 and 57 and then if I multiply 19 and 64, it would give me big answers. And then I have to see whether they are reducible or not. So there is another shorter way to do this. And that is by cutting these numbers, the numerators and the denominators of the fractions, into the simplest form. For example, we know 16 and 64 both go in the table of 2. So 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. And we know 8 1s are 8, 8 4s is 32. Or simply 16 1s are 16, 16 4s are 64. That would also be easier. And 19 1s are 19, 19 2s are 38, 19 3s are 57. So we have 19 1s are 19, 19 3s are 57. Just to confirm, 19 3s are 9 3s are 27, 2 carry, 1 3 are 3, 4 5. That's right. So simply multiply 1 and 3 and 1 and 4. And we have 3 upon 4. So the simplest form of this multiplication is 3 upon 4. Let me take another example. What is a 2 upon 9 multiplied by 18 upon 16? So over here you can say that 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, then 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So the final answer is 1 1s is 1 and 1 4s is 4. So in fact, multiplication of fraction is much simpler than addition or subtraction of fractions. Thank you for watching.